Welcome to Nomad, Benefits by Design's online administration portal for advisors and their clients. On Nomad, advisors can access everything they need to successfully request quotes, obtain sale forms, and maintain their BBD group benefits plans. This is your personal dashboard. On your dashboard, check your advisor scorecard to see your current stats. View your snapshot section to see the status of your current quotes and sales. Click the My Clients tab to view your client information. Click on an individual client to check their group status, enrollment, run reports, access their benefits booklet, and more. Click on the Reports tab to run different group reports and advisor reports, including your monthly commission statement. The report is now saved in your Downloads folder. Looking to switch clients? Use the toggle to view your other clients. This is also called Groups. From the Resources tab, access forms, marketing materials, and more while you're on the go. All this and more is securely available through your BBD Advisor Nomad portal. Nomad, just one of the many ways Benefits by Design is helping working Canadians.